Okay, so here is the latest and greatest of what's going on in crypto. First, I am not in the United States. I am in San Pedro, Belize, down here on spring break with the family. Apologize if I'm squinting, but the sun's coming in right there. I had to get this like the best lighting I could get for you guys. So, yeah, doing a little bit of spring break trip here. So the rest of my videos this week will be coming to you from San Pedro. This is a really cool island. We just got here last night. I haven't really seen the island yet. We're gonna go see it today and do a lot of cool stuff. So let's talk about what's going on in crypto. Talk about everything that is that's right now. I mean, I woke up obviously last night. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the overall market started moving up about 5, 6, 7% on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and everything else moving up. And woke up this morning to 11% move up for Bitcoin and Ethereum moving up as well, and all the kind of market moving up. This is all good news. So here's what's happening. Last night, the FDIC regulators seized the SVB, Silicon Valley Bank, which I think really calmed a lot of people, and basically said that the people who had money in that bank, and they were in, as long as they had money up to like the $250,000 insured account, they're going to get access to their funds today. So I think that eased a lot of people's fears about the overall kind of market. Was this, now this is not a crypto thing, but this is kind of an overall market scenario that you need to be aware of, because it's something that was out there that could have created a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt, because SVB being one of the top banks to go under, was over the weekend just creating a lot of stuff. In fact, all my friends and I, it's all we were talking about, and it was just everywhere, right? So that's good news, okay? And so I think the market's reacting to that. You're seeing crypto react to that. You're seeing kind of the overall stock futures were good, excuse me, as of the recording of this video. And crypto reacting really, really well. But also I think you got a little bit of a run up, because remember on, so it says Monday, on Tuesday, on Tuesday, tomorrow, on the 14th, I'm on vacation and my days are a little off. On the 14th is when we get the CPI, the Consumer Price Index report. This is the report we've been waiting on from the government. This is the inflation report. We'll see what that says. The consensus is calling for the report to come in at about 6%. That's the number, which would show the lowest rate of a decrease since September of 2021. What does that mean? It means that inflation is not going away. It's not cooling off. It's not going down as much as we would want it to, as fast, right? And so what does that mean? That means that it's going to set the stage for when the Federal Reserve FOMC meeting comes into effect on March 21 and March 22. And on the 22nd, when they actually announce the base interest rate hike, is going to be at least 50 basis points. That's the number that now that everybody's expecting. The street's expecting, the crypto street, the stock market street are expecting that number. If it's higher than that, 75 basis points, that's going to be a blood in the water kind of scenario. But I think you got a little bit of euphoria right now with SVB, Silicon Valley Bank, basically kind of that situation being taken care of. I think it kind of quelled or kind of stopped the rumors of maybe there's another bank coming behind it. And it is possible that there could be another bank, but Silicon Valley's banks, the way that their business was structured, they didn't have a lot of retail depositors. You and I, in this case, would be retail depositors. Their assets and what they were invested in, and what and all that kind of stuff. Just it was kind of a recipe. It was a perfect storm. It was a recipe for disaster for them with what's happened over the last couple of years, and therein lies, what happened there. No, it's not an in-depth definition, but there's stuff all over the net for the exact reasons and all that kind of stuff. But that's basically the highlight of it. So it's a good day. I'm going to celebrate this. Everything's up. That's kind of what the breaking news is, and everything's kind of going on right now. So I'm going to enjoy that. I'm going to go spend some time with my family. I'll have a couple more videos coming for you today. Have a good one. Take care, and go make some money. See you.